Welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today we're gonna talk about Aerokinesis one more time. There was a lot of confusion after my last video, and I want to clarify a few things. Aerokinesis is the power of air, but in order to control the air around an object or around you, you have to first learn to control the air inside of you. The air you're breathing in. The air in your blood. The oxygen inside your body. You have to learn how to control it. And only then you can learn how to control the air outside your body. How do we do this? Obviously through meditation. We meditate in the mornings or in the evenings before we go to sleep. We meditate to learn how to control these powers. If you want to know how to meditate, I made many videos on this channel on how to meditate. Watch those. I did a guided meditation where you can meditate together. And when you learn how to meditate and how to control the energies, then you can do all kinds of Aerokinesis. Last time I was blowing a little wind. Okay, today I'm gonna blow one strong wind. And the difference is not as big as you might think. When you blow a little wind, what you basically do is you rotate, you move the air inside the room in a circle. You can do it clockwise or counterclockwise. If you blast one wind, you do that by focusing on the air, bringing in on one side of the room, you're pulling it towards you, and then one blast, you push it away. I'm gonna do that now. And to practice, you can use a toilet paper sheet. It's very light, so it's easier to move. Also with telekinesis. But not with my old method, with your new method where you don't need to have a connection to an object. But today, we're gonna do Aerokinesis. So I'm gonna blast this away. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you.